How do I stay focused when I feel unmotivated to study? How do I stay focused when I feel unmotivated to study? Let me see. Let me think. Okay, I try to relate. Okay, all these things that I share, actually we can apply to be whether adults or teenager. Okay, adults is just apply to work lah, correct? Right? Students is apply to study lah, but it's the same concept mah. So how do I stay focused when, like, for example, when I feel like, oh, I have a lot of things to do, like, wow, I don't know what to do, and then after that, I cannot focus. So for me, is I have too many things to do. Okay, for you all, you have too many things to study. Okay, when you have too many things to study, okay, then you don't know where to start. Then you feel very overwhelmed. And then after you start to procrastinate, right? And then after you start to lose focus. Or maybe you are studying this particular subject. And then after that, wow, you don't understand that. For example, let's say you super dislike math lah. Then you look at the question. Wow, look at it, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, still don't understand what is it talking about. Right? Then you feel you start to feel distracted already. Then you don't want to focus already. And then you start to maybe watch the IG lah, watch the TikTok lah, and then after that, that's it. So, reason for us not to stay focused is we are not interested in that something, and we are not able to achieve, like for example, math question. You're not able to complete that question. You cannot achieve that. Oh, 10 marks. I only get 0 marks because nothing I can do. And then you just move away, start to distract yourself. So then, what to do? Okay. So one way is you can have smaller steps, right? So if let's say you look at this particular subject, you are not able to do, why? So if it's something whereby some topic you need like prerequisite topic before you can understand this topic, then you give yourself time to go and look back into the older topic that is related to this new topic. Sometimes you might need to really learn how to walk before you come and learn how to fly. Okay? If you just look at it, wow, I cannot fly leh. Wow, I cannot fly like how? I cannot fly. Then you just look at it, cannot fly. Then you're thinking, how? Should I go back to learn how to walk? And then after that, you will say, wow, if I will go back and learn how to walk, I'll be wasting time. Right? But I ask you this question. Sitting here, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, but asking yourself, how? I don't know how to fly. How? That 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, you can use that time to go and walk, to learn how to walk, right? And after that 2 hours of learning how to walk, isn't that come back? Oh, I know how to fly already because after I walk, now I can fly. You understand what I mean or not? Okay? A lot of times people always think that, go back, where got time to go back to the old topics, where got time to revise, blah, blah, blah. So you need to go back, relook, and then see what are the small steps that you can do first. Don't go and think that, if I go and do the older steps, it's wasting my time. No, it's not. So those students who come to me for tuition for math, some people who sometimes come to me during Sec 3, for example. Some even worse, come to me at Sec 4. Wow, when they come in, their basic really very jialat. And then I have to tell the parents that I'm so sorry, the algebra, the level of understanding is quite bad. So I have to start from Sec 1. Okay? But of course, I don't start from Sec 1 for everything lah. I start from Sec 1, only the algebra that is important. Okay? Then the other topics, when we have time, then we slot it in. So I will tell them that I have to go back. We have to start from the basic. Then solution come up. And I can tell you, I've been teaching for 12, 13 years, and that's what I always apply to my students. Okay, for students or parents who come in, when I tell them my I diagnose the problem this, and I give the solution this way, I say that I got to start from the beginning. And if the parent or the student don't follow my instruction or don't trust my plan, then it cannot work one. Yeah, then some of them say, hi, like that, I come tuition, then after that, Sec 4, you don't teach me Sec 4 stuff, you teach me Sec 1 stuff, waste of time. When, how? Then the parent, when can we finish? Then I was like, you come at Sec 4, and then your child is so weak, then you cannot expect me what, suddenly can teach the child to fly when the child cannot even walk, cannot crawl also. Correct or not? Yeah, so I feel that not being able to stay focused is because firstly, you don't know how to do, you lose interest, and therefore you just start to do other stuff. So one way to come back to focus is do something that you can achieve first. Go and close up the gap first. Okay, cover up the gap, and then after that you will slowly realize that, oh, I can do this. Oh, I can. Once you find out that you are able to do, then slowly your focus will be there already. Correct or not? Yeah. So that's how I feel lah. Okay.